Hi guys, I welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. On this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make this Queen Anne neckline and a built-up neck at the back. So now what for the cutting, I'm going to be adding zip allowance for the zip at the back because it's going to be having zip at the back, and for the front, I'm also going to add the allowance for the slit. So this is the front pattern that I've cut out. So what you are going to be measuring here, I just measured the half length. I added extra 2 inches at the top for the two sides, for the back and front. For this back, I just added the zip allowance as 1.5 inches. So for the half cut, which is the half length, after measuring 2 inches, this is the 2 inches here. I'm going to be starting my measurement from there. From here, I measure 6, which is the half length is 15. I added extra 1 inch, making 16. So from here, this is my zipper allowance here. You can decide to fold it in like this if you wish to. This is the zipper allowance. So I folded the zipper allowance in, and for these 2 inches, you can decide to also fold it in like so. This is the back. So for here now, the back I'm using here is 15. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So 7.5 plus half inch, making 8 inches. So this is my 8 inches here. This is my normal back measurement. So first of all, I'm going to draft out the main bodies. So for the band is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I'm going to be using 8 inches. So just try to give it that straight line measurement. So from here, I'm going to give it that curve. This is my curve here. So for the bust here, the bust is 42. 42 divided by 4 is 10.5. So 10.5, this is my 10.5. I'm going to be adding extra 2 inches, which is 12.5. So for the waist is 41. 41, let's just approximate it to that 42, which is 10.5 plus extra inches, which is 12.5. So this is it. I'm just going to curve it in like this. So for the neck, I'm going to come here. The wideness will be 3. This is the 3 inches here. So you are going to open this place up. So this is the place that the neck will be coming out for. So for here now, what I'm going to be doing, I will come up by 2 inches, which is that 2 inches that we added. So that 2 inches, you are going to also measure 3 inches here because it's coming up. This is my 3 inches. You connect it together. And for this type of neck, you don't need to come down by maybe 1.5 inches or 2 inches. You know it's coming down like that, but this one is coming up. If you like, you can use 2.5 inches here. And for this place, you are just going to give it that curve. So this is it here. So from here, you come down by half inch to give it that neck curve. The neck curve will not be coming down from here below. It's coming out from here because this is the build up neckline. So from here, you just give it that curve. If you have your ruler, you can use it to connect. So this is our new neckline here. So I'm done with the back pattern. So if you want to cut it out, you just open it widely. You connect it to the zip allowance like so. So now this is our new neckline here, like I said earlier. So what you are going to be doing, you will just cut it out. You will cut it out this way. So this is our new neckline here. Can you see it? This is our new neckline here. So for this shoulder here, you just cut it out because we are going to make use of the shoulder for the front measurement. I'm going to cut it out. Just cut out your exact measurement here. So this is our new shoulder length now. So you just take the front. What you are going to be doing, you just make draft your normal shoulder here. So what I did, we are already done with the back measurements. So this is the front. I've already drafted the front, this thing. So now what I want to do here, this is the allowance that I added for the front, because there is a button and there is a slit at the down part. For this cloth now, I'm not going to, this is not, the half cut is not needed. I just want to use it to explain, because the cloth doesn't have joining at the half length part. It's a straight cut cloth. So now for this one now, what I'm going to be doing, I'll measure that 3 inches from here. This is my 3 inches here, which is the wideness of the back. So next thing you are going to be doing, you take your tape rule, you measure from here like this. So anything you get, this is 6.5 inches. So you are going to take your tape rule and measure from here, and measure that 6.5 inches here. This is my 6.5 inches, which is here. This is our new back measurement now, because now if we say we should start the measurement from here to this place, it's going to be shorter. So this is 5 inches. So if you want to join it, it's going to be giving this one problem. So anything you measure around here, you bring it here. So this is it for this place. So from here, for this place, you give it a just a little bit, maybe 1 inches upward. You give it that slant here. So what you are going to be doing, you come up by ½ inch. That's our new measurement, which is like this. From here, try to blend it in up here to this place. This is our normal shoulder measurement, but because the measurement is not equal with that one, the measurement you take from that curve to this place, you are going to bring it here and come up by ½ inch to this place, like so. So now from here, you come down by 7 inches. So you come down by 7 inches, which is the neck deepness. From here, you will now take your tape rule and measure. You divide it by 2, which is 3.5. This is my 3.5. From this place that you got your normal neck measurement, just take your ruler, bring it up like this, and connect it to this place. Sorry, let me use my hand. So this is it. This is our new neckline. So just take your scissors and cut out. So this is our normal neck now. So I'm going to cut it out on my dress, and I will explain the way you are going to join it to this place. So the joining will just come in like this, from here, like this, to this place. Okay. So now, like I said earlier, I said this dress doesn't have a half cut. Yeah. So what I did for the half length, I just measure downward. I added my full length to it. So this is it. I've cut it out. This is the front. I cut out the exact measurement for the front here, and this is also the back. This is the back. So now what I will do now, I will now use this to cut out the front. Sorry. So for this one, I didn't make measure of this. Maybe I made mistake by that. You will come in from here like this to achieve this. You come in maybe by 3.5 or 3 inches. Don't make it too wide, because the neck, the deepness is not wide like that. Just use 3 inches or 3.5. For me, I use 3 inches You can see from here like this to this place is 3 inches. That's what I use for this place. I just use it to explain. So now I will now cut out the exact lining. I will lining it. I will now join it. If you want to join it, you know, this is our front neck depth. Just this is the shoulder. Just attach it from here and just go this way. So after sewing, I will show you guys the way it is. So now I'm done with the turning of the back. This is the back. Why this is the front? I've joined it and I've ironed it separately. So what you are going to be doing, you just place the two shoulder on each other this way. You start from here, so this way, straight. You just pick one tip and place the lining on each other like this, and sew the other side.